Viewers, welcome back. This is the second part of Hospital Management Software Configuration and Setup tutorial. In this video, we shall explore more features of our hospital management software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could kindly hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Pathology or Lab section. Pathology category. This is where you define pathology and lab categories. From the main window, click Pathology. Select Pathology Categories tab. Click New Pathology Category. Type the pathology category. Click Create. Pathology units. This is where you define pathology test units, for example mg/dl, %, etc. From the main window, click Pathology. Select Pathology Units tab. Click New Pathology Units. Type the pathology unit. Click Create. Pathology parameters. This is where you create and list all pathology parameter reference ranges, for example blood sugar 70 to 100 mg dl, urine pH 4.5 to 8.0, etc. From the main window, click Pathology. Select Pathology Parameters tab. Click New Pathology Parameters. Type parameter name, reference range, unit, and description. Click Create. Pathology tests. This is where the lab technician performs and records all pathology tests. From the main window, click Pathology Tests. Select Action top right, then click New Pathology Test. Select the patient name, pathology category, and charge category. Add test name, short name, test type, etc. To add another pathology parameter, select parameter name, type patient result, reference range and unit, then click Add. Click Create. Radiology section. Radiology category. This is where you define all radiology categories for your facility. From the main window, click Radiology. Select Radiology Categories tab. Click New Radiology Categories. Type the radiology category. Click Create. Radiology tests. This is where the lab technician performs and records all radiology tests. From the main window, click Radiology Tests. Select Action top right, then click New Radiology Test. Select the patient name, radiology category, charge category, and charge type. Add test name, short name, test type, etc. Click Create. Medicines or Pharmacy section. Medicine categories. This is where you define all medicine categories, e.g. syrup, tablets, etc. From the main window, click Medicines. Select Medicine Categories tab. Click New Medicine Category. Type the medicine category. Select status, either active or inactive. Click Create. Medicine brands. This is where you add and view all major medicine brands, for example Bayer, Pfizer, GlaxoSmithKline, etc. From the main window, click Medicines. Select Medicine Brands tab. Click New Medicine Brand. Type the medicine brand, phone number, and email address. Click Create. Adding medicines. This is where you add and view all your medicines. From the main window, click Medicines. Select Medicines tab. Select Action top right, click New Medicine. Type medicine name, select category, and brand. Type salt composition of the medicine. Enter the buying and selling price. Enter its side effects. Enter its description. Click Create. Purchasing medicines. This is where you record all medicine purchases. From the main window, click Medicines. Select Purchase Medicines tab. Select Action top right, click Purchase Medicine. Select medicine name, lot number, expiry date, sale price, purchase price, quantity, tax, and amount. Click Add to purchase medicines. Repeat this step for all other medicines you want to buy. Enter special notes if applicable. Enter total amount, net amount, and payment option or type. Click Create. Used medicines. This is where you view all used medicines with their relevant details. Medicine bills. This is where you create and process all medicine bills for your patients. From the main window, click Medicines. Select Medicine Bills tab. Click New Medicine Bills. Select Patient Name and Payment Status. Select medicine categories, medicine, expiry date, selling price, quantity, and amount. Repeat this step for other medicines. Enter total amount, net amount, and payment option or type. Click Create. Settings section. General. This is where you enter general information for your facility. This information is what shall be displayed on your generated documents, for example reports, cards, invoices, etc. From the main window, click Settings. Select General tab. Type your app name, hospital email, phone number, hospital working days, hospital working hours, hospital address, currency, about us, and then upload your logo. Click Save. Select Hospital Schedules tab. Select your working days and time. Click Save. Leave Sidebar tab to default settings. If you use Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, Flutterwave, or PayStack payments method to receive payments, click the Payment Gateway tab, enter your credentials. Click Save. Current currency. This is where you define your local currency and assign to the system. From the main window, click Settings. Select Current Currency tab. Click New Current Currency. Type your currency name, icon, and code. Click Create. Billing section. Accounts. This is where you define all accounts for the hospital. From the main window, click Billings. Select Accounts tab. Select Actions top right, click New Accounts. Type accounts name and description. Select Status, whether active or inactive. Select either debit or credit. Click Create. Employee Payroll. This is where you generate the payroll for your hospital. From the main window, click Billings. Select Employee Payrolls tab. Click New Employee Payrolls top right. Select employee name, employee role, month, year, and status. Payroll ID will be generated automatically. Type payroll serial number, basic salary, allowance, deductions, and net salary. Click Create. Invoices. This is where you generate invoices for your patients. From the main window, click Billings. Select Invoices tab. Click New Invoices top right. Select the patient name and status. Invoice ID will be generated automatically. Type invoice date and discount if applicable. Select Account, type the description, quantity, and amount. To add another invoice item, click Add, then repeat the step. Click Create. Payments. This is where you generate payment vouchers for your facility. From the main window, click Billings. Select Payments tab. Select Actions top right, click New Payment. Select Account to be paid. Type the payment date, receiver of the payment, amount, and any other relevant information. Click Create. Payment Reports. This is where you list all payment vouchers. From the main window, click Billings. Select Payments Reports tab. Click Export to Excel to export the reports. Advance Payments. This is where you record advance payments or deposits paid by the clients. From the main window, click Billings. Select Advance Payments tab. Click New Advance Payments top right. Select Patient ID, receipt number will be generated automatically. Type the amount and date. Click Create. Bills. This is where you generate and list bills for patients. From the main window, click Billings. Select Bills tab. Click New Bills. Select Patient Admission ID. Type billing date and any other relevant information. Type billing item name, quantity, price, and amount. To add another billing item, click Add, then repeat the step. Click Create. Manual billing payment. This is where you list bills paid manually for patients. From the main window, click Billings. Select Manual Billings Payment tab. Inventory section. Items categories. This is where you define all item categories for your hospital inventory, for example beds, utensils, etc. From the main window, click Inventory. Select Items Categories tab. Click New Items Categories. Type the item category. Click Create. Items. This is where you define the specific items for your hospital inventory. From the main window, click Inventory. Select Items tab. Click New Items. Select the item category. Type the item name, unit of measurement and a brief description. Click Create. Item Stock. This is where add stock to your inventory. From the main window, click Inventory. Select Item Stock tab. Click New Item Stock. Select the item category and item name. Type supplier name, store name, purchase price, quantity, and a brief description of the stock. Attach a supporting document if available. Click Create. Issued items. This is where you record issued items from the inventory. From the main window, click Inventory. Select Issued Items tab. Click New Issued Items. Select the user type or staff, issued to, item category and item name. Type issued by, issued date, return date and any other relevant details. Click Create. Changing password. From the main window, click Profile icon topmost right. Select Change Password. Type current password. Type the new password. Confirm the new password. Click Save. Paying and selecting your subscription plan. From the main window, click Profile icon topmost right. Select your subscription plan. Proceed to pay. Available payment options are manual, bank and PayPal. This is the end of part 2 for our hospital management software tutorial. For more technical support, please click on the comment section below or email info@hospitalmanagementsystemsoftware.online.